But I'm gonna just take y'all down here because I'm about to get a phone card real quick, and I'm gonna show y'all how to get a phone card at the 7-Eleven. Let's go. And I'm gonna show y'all how to cross the street real quick too, y'all. Man, you kind of just gotta judge. Let's see how to get a phone card real quick. So I'm gonna show you the plans real quick. For 8 days, it's $3.99 baht. 15 days, $6.99 baht. 30 days, $9.99 baht. Okay. And then you get a SIM card, right? Okay. All right. It's another beautiful morning, man. You know, waking up, just looking back on yesterday was so beautiful. Here at the 7-Eleven, we got the coffee right, you know. But we want to keep the energy real peaceful. We got the monks over there praying. And this is just your regular Asian sunrise with people actually doing good things. And, bruh, when you come over here, the energy and the peace is so full that you don't even notice like any ego or anything. It's like these people don't care about ego or walking by you, passing bad energy. It's so different from the country I'm used to being in. Like, how can I be so happy sitting outside of a 7-Eleven? You got people praying and just being peaceful. It seems like the monks come off of the mountain and come into the city every now and again when they need a little bit of change, or if they want to be in the city, you'll see them with their feet, with their shoes off, walking around the city. So like I said, there's nothing like this beautiful Asian morning. Another good thing is I got a charger pack, so we won't be running out of battery. I'm saying I'll be able to fill you guys in on a lot more of the moments that I share. I really do feel like the moments that I share are unique, and the places that I go are places that people don't even get to see. Like, even if you go to a spot, there's always another spot that's way more beautiful, like off in the woods or cut off. So that's what I think that I can offer to this channel, and to bring energy to your life and show you how to really explore instead of being a regular old tourist. Nobody wants to see that. We're gonna show you guys how to connect with the locals, much more. 7-Eleven Thailand trips. So let's go. See, when you come to Thailand, especially Hua Hin, this is what it's all about right here, baby. The coconut trees, stop playing. Don't make me climb up for one. We got the bike. But look, I really wanted to show you guys, excuse me, this art piece that's right here. And this is a famous artist that goes around and he does the same eye, but it will have like a person right here. They're all unique, but they're all around the city. Everywhere you go in Hua Hin, it's like this artist touched the entire city. So man, I mean, we got coconuts on coconuts. I'm about to sit here and finish the little milk sesh. This is why I can't be mad that I came down to Segway Mountain. But I think way up on the top, it's probably where I'll spend some of my time. And, you know, just acting like, you know, people don't even exist. Like, I'm the only one here. I'm gonna end up showing y'all the real Hua Hin. But it's so crazy how from the beach I can see Monkey Temple, and that's my favorite place in Hua Hin. It's Right there, that little white speck, that's the highest viewpoint. But you know, I go to the highest viewpoint. Get with the locals even more. I'm so excited to have even come here because this lets me tap into just stop just doing tourist stuff. Just when you find a city, go ahead and get with the locals. You know what I'm saying? Go to the local bars if that's what you like to do. If you like to play basketball, go play basketball with the locals. So every country I go to, I plan on hitting Philippines. I gotta play basketball with the locals in every country. Yeah, let's go.